how our course structure is. So these are some of the things that we take as a course structure. This is one example that I'm going to talk about. There are multiple course structures. So understanding about UI and UX, then working with multiple softwares, which is Photoshop. So all the Adobe suites, then XD, Figma, Azure, and InVision. Working on personas and customer journey mapping. These are basically tools to understand the users, what their problems are, and identifying the solutions. So basically, with personas and customer journey mapping, you are able to understand users in a much better way. Then comes your ideation techniques backed with psychology. So how psychology plays an important role, not just in designing, but in every field, right? So all the ideation techniques that we follow are based on the psychologies. Okay. Then comes your prototyping and animation. Then comes your dry run. That means over here you are getting lots and lots of feedbacks from the user and doing a testing, following in any kind of testing labs that will be available for you. Okay. Then comes our live project and international experts. So over here you get to work with your professional industrial experts, and also you are able to interact with and work with industrial professionals. Okay. Then comes your strategy building, how to work in groups or how to work in industry, or how to create a strategy that could work for the product, business development. Then design for IoT, IR, AR, MR, VR, and robotics, because it is something that is evolving, and with technology, people are willing to design for all these technologies as well, right? People are willing to adapt these as part. How now Facebook has been able, or has able to become Meta as a company, right? And they are working towards metaverse, right? So all these techniques, all these technologies are leading towards creating a world that we have never thought of, right? And designing is one of the major part of it. Okay.